Hey, hello guys. I'm Dave by name, and in this video, I'm gonna show you something you might really be interested in. Okay. Um, over the years, yeah, I've heard a lot of people asking numerous questions online on various social media platforms, and the questions are like, how can I write code online? How can I write code on my mobile phone? How can I code on my mobile phone? How can I learn how to code on my mobile phone and etc. Okay, so I don't know. There are a lot of apps there that you can use to write your code on your mobile phone, though it's not gonna be easy like it will be when you are using a desktop. But when you don't have a desktop, you have to make use of what you have. Okay, so in this video I have my two most favorite text editor, yeah, to call it that I use on my Android phone, and I would like to share with you. Okay, so if you have an Android phone, or you have an iOS operating system, I don't know if iOS operating system have the applications I'm going to share with you, but if you are using an iOS, you can just do me a favor, check your app store and search for the apps that I'm going to show you. Maybe you'll find them, but of course, if you don't find them, you might find other ones that are similar and can do the same thing. Okay, so if you are using an Android phone, watch out. Okay, so these are the application I'll head over right here. If you look on my screen right now, the two applications below, you see Visual Studio, yeah, Visual Studio Code. That's the Visual Code for Android. Then the second one is a code. Okay, you see Visual Studio Code and a code. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you the interface of the two. Okay, so I'll open it right here. We are opening the Visual Studio Code now. We open it. As you can see, it has the same logo with that on your desktop. Okay, so and here we are. Before I this is when I was playing around with some things. Okay, so this is it. This is the interface. You can write your program here. Okay, you can just okay, let me start by adding a title. Let me add the title here. Okay, title. Okay, so okay, let's use this as the title. How to code on Android phone. Okay, then we close it. We close it right there. Yeah, this is it. Oh no, closing the wrong place. Okay, yeah, so this is title. Oh, that's it's already giving me suggestion, so we close it there. Okay, we have our head here, our head is closed here, our body is closed here. I think our code, something is missing. Yeah, so I'm gonna open the HTML tag right here. Okay, and then I'm gonna go down. and close it. Okay. Yeah, I'm really not used to this used to using this app. You can see a bit slow, but just bear with me. Okay. So we have our head. Alright, we close it here. We have our HTML close here. Then we have our body tag. Okay, let's just do a little thing here. We can say, okay, let's open a heading. We can say H1. Then we can say, do you know? Do you know that coding on Android phone is not that complicated? Okay, put our question mark, then we hit trace to close the H1 tag. Okay, then we close it. Okay, then let's have an H2, or let's have an H3. Then H3. Okay, we have our H3 here. I don't want the text to be big, so just want it to be something smaller than H2. Okay, so we use H3. Then I will say okay, yeah, is how you can code. Okay, can code on Android phone. And then we close it. Okay, H3. Then we close it here. Then let's still have another paragraph. We can say okay, Peter. Then we say so. Are you ready? Are you ready to get started? Okay, then we close it. Yeah, there's our p tag there. Then we close it. Okay, let's try and run this code and see the output. But before then, let me take a look at some of the tags, because things really look tiny on my screen right now. Okay, all right then. So I'll save this. Okay, it has been saved. I think okay, do you see that? So if you write this code on your mobile phone, this is exactly what is going to output for you on the web. Okay, so you can say, do you, oh, look at what we typed there. Say, do you the coding, or them. Oh, I'm seriously abusing English here. Let me correct my errors, or my mistakes rather. Okay, so we go back there. What we mean is, do you know that coding on, okay, we'll bring in our on. Okay, do you know that coding on Android phone? Okay, we can just leave it as Android. Can't type. Okay, do you know that coding on Android is not that complicated? Okay, and our title, how to code on Android phone. Then here is how you can. Then I really abused English here. Okay, here is how you can code on Android phone. So are you ready to get started? Okay, so let's save it and have a look again. Okay, so we click on, look at this circular symbol with a web symbol in it. Okay, this circular button rather with the web symbol on it, so you just click it to preview the output of your code. Okay, so this is it, and boom, that's it. This is what we get. Okay, so I hope you are following up. That's if you use this VS Code or Visual Studio Code. Okay, for the second one, for the second application, which is a code, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna copy the code here. Okay, then go to that application and paste it and try to run it and see. Okay, so this is it. This is the application code. Okay, I have not actually used this application before, so I hope I don't keep you waiting, watching me how I struggle with it. Okay, first of all, we have to save what we have here. Okay, I have to save this. Do I need to select a folder? Okay, okay, I'll pick this. Then okay, maybe I need to create a new folder. Yeah. Okay, we can say our code test. Okay, so inside we're gonna save the file. Okay, so we'll save the file as index.html, index.html. Okay, so we'll save it. You can see, so this is our. Okay, so we'll save the file. So what we're gonna do now is head back to. Okay, I think okay, open a file, open recent. Okay, I'll go here, go to the code. Okay, so we have it open on our code now. Okay, having a little bit of problem with the interface. I have not actually used it before. Okay, so we're gonna paste the code we copied from the Visual Studio Code earlier. So we'll paste it. Okay, we've pasted the code. Okay, so what we're gonna do now? Okay, I think so the interface looks pretty better. Maybe because, well, let me not say much. Okay, so let's save it. Okay, the code is saved now. Okay, I think this should be for the preview. Okay, try and click on this play button at the top close to this toggle whatever. Okay, so you click on this play button here, the one at the top here. Okay, if you want to run the active file, tap and hold on the play icon. Okay, you see that? Should I? Okay, let's use in-app. Okay, so look at that. That really looks better. I don't know. Do you know that coding on Android is not that complicated? Here is how you can code on Android phone. So are you ready to get started? Okay. So I think this is how you can code on your Android phone. But a quick note: if you are a total beginner, or you've never taken any coding tutorial, you might this might look somehow, and you might have a tough time in doing this. But I think if you are a total beginner and you've never done any coding related stuff before, I think what you should do is just take a few tutorials on coding. When you check on YouTube, you see a lot of them. Then after taking some, then you can come and use the application, so practicalize what you've learned. Okay, so guys, I think this is where we end the video for today. And once again, my name is Dave. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Okay, thank you very much, and see you next time.